өткен тақырыпты. Now stand up please. The weather. The weather. Now children, now let's revise the lesson. What's the season now? It's winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Yes, well done. So now, who can answer the questions? Let's play the game calendar. Now, who wants? Now you please come here. Now, what's your name? Maji. Now you should answer my questions. Now, what's the date today? What's the date today? Today is the 24th of April. Yes? Now, 24. What is the number? 20. Now, take and click 24th of what's the month is now? April. Yes, what is April? Yes, take it. April month. Now, what day is it today? What day of the week? What day is it today? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, yes, well done. Now, thank you very much. Sit down, please. And who wants to answer the questions? Now, you please start here. Well done. Be quick, please. Now, what's the season now? What's the season now? What's the season now? It's here. It's spring. Yes, take. And click here. Now sit down, please. Thank you very much. Now 3 claps. Now who wants? And answer the question. Who wants? Come to us. You please come here. Now, what's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Today is raining. Now, quickly, weather. Now, thank you very much. Sit down, please. Now, children, there are cakes. If you have answer, you will get cakes. Now, come here and stay around. Come here. Stay around. I know. Stay around. And do you understand me? If you have answer, you will get the cake. Now, take, please, and you, please. Please. And you, please. Now, come here. You should read the question and answer, and you will answer. You get this cake. Please. What's the weather like? Now answer it's rainy today.
What's the weather like?
Today is party clothing. Stop. You please.
What's the weather like?
Sun. Today is
Today is sun.
You please.
Rain is Spain the sky. Rain.
Today is red. Now rainbow. After beautiful.
Rainbow is Spain the sky.
You please. What's the like today? After that, lightning. Cancer. Thunder. You please.
What's the weather like?
You please. Be quick.
What's the shade?
What's the weather like? Today is. It's foggy today. You please. What's the weather like? It's cloudy. Today. You please.
After the lightning, the thunder.
Thunder. And you please. Stormy, yes?
Stories.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
It's stormy
It's
today. And you please.
What's the weather like? It's windy today.
Well done. Thank you very much. And you please. It's what's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
The next, it's
It's
clear
clear
today. Thank you very much, children. Now take your place. Take your place. Take your place.
This child.
Thank you. Done. Now children, are you tired? Now let's stand up, please. Are you tired? Now, yes. Now let's make our warm up. Now let's go. Let's go. 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 Listen. Look. Let's go. Look. Listen. Let's go. Stop. What's the life today? Today is. What's the life today? Today is cloudy. Yes. Let's go. Stop. Now, what's the season now? It's spring now. Speak louder. Doesn't try to speak. It's spring. Now, it's spring. Yes. Let's go. children? Do you like this lesson? Yes! Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Kaskuri.